I can see it. Going through here.
You just bent that.
No.
No, that
What?
was
I didn't bend nothing.
Oh,
Bend what?
What's this?
No. Totally different. The ghetto build. You know the good news or the bad news?
The bad news.
The bad news is it's gonna look slightly worse than I was hoping for it to look. Because for some reason the aluminium sheet I thought I had, I don't. That's not a problem. Bad news is we have to hack the inner weld with a sawzall. Steven Spielberg, the camera, you hold it. Spasibo. Which part would you...
Which part would I like? I think
this looks tremendous. Good to have a big fat belly. Mother Nature. Freezing.
multitasking here.
You know multitasking. You're just Steven Spielberg. Great. Oh, come on, man. At least we'll give it 3 extra months.
Who remembers these? I think that was like one of the first videos we made when
the first things you bought.
Yeah.
I know it's not ideal to be running like this.
Yeah, man.
It's gonna be touching these though. Water pipes.
Right, but you can get a block-off plate for these to all of this off completely.
So you okay for now?
Yeah, no problem.
Right, bro, you're not right?
Because right now I'm gonna run the front mount intercooler with the water cooler.
We're gonna run it slightly like this and boom. To here, done, that's done. So I reckon we extend that and go left.
Oh.
Okay. So if I move that over here directly past the ramp, it's gonna be enough, I suppose. Even if it moves fine. But if it moves, I want it to move with the coolant pipe, not against it. If that makes sense.
Right. Okay. Yeah.
You with me? Cause
Yeah.
I don't want it to run through and then
Someone messaged me after I shared this on my story saying they bought fake ones off eBay and over time the bumper began bending and then they said they bought genuine ones and it was spot on.
Oh, mate. Oh, look at that.
There's a funny message on this.
Oh.
Who's been vandalizing my...
Hey, be glad that I didn't put anything else on it.
No. I think what you wrote on the other customer's car was really good.
It wasn't me. It was already on the plate.
It was already on the plate.
Okay, so we go up and here, and then this goes there.
Boom, boom, okay.
Boom, boom.
Everything happens at APC.
Yes, we're gonna lift it. You know he's gonna do back, sack and crack.
Okay.
Yeah, man, whole shebang. That is alright.
Yeah?
Goes, it's touching very slightly here. But that's not a problem because we can stick it like so. Yeah, more than enough. No.
For these videos now, we have to hire a barber.
I
before
also
we film.
heard you need a stripper and a catering team. You know what? I'm hungry, I'm aggressive. So, shall we do a slight angle? Would you be okay with sort of like that?
Mate, that is looking proper. Yeah, I do not think it's gonna have a clearance problem.
Oh, miles away, man. Yo, bang on. Yes, we are at home.
Need some encouragement.
Never go dry. It's not go gentleman. Nice and clean. Hello. Hey, look, perfect. Yeah, mate, it's mega.
We are here.
Yeah, we in E46BX. That's where we are. Listen, I prefer to weld it instead of having 70 silicone hoses. I'm gonna sneeze in like a Robocop on night out with metal. The black is it looks alright, but it's good for them they want to just ruin everything. Mate, it's shocking. It's powder coat. It's bad. Have a look. It ain't hot. Check it. It's just wiggle it.
Bart is trying to turn this into like a prank wars channel.
Yeah?
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 Yeah? Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, okay.
Good talk. Yeah, good talk.
That'll be fine. That will suffice, won't it?
Yeah. It's perfect. Yeah.
Powder coated. You're gonna finish it off yourself in a minute. Hey, you already got flies in it, although it's not been driven.
I know, right?
Mega. That must be worth 50 brake horsepower on its own. Sorry. You know, it was just too quiet.
Yeah.
And now actually you can put a smell to sound as well, it's not good. What does this sound smell of?
Ooh.
Daisies. Unfortunately, these daisies come from a cemetery and they've been there forever.
There's gonna be like methane gas trapped in my intercooler now.
No, you're gonna go faster.
Nitrous. Is this the final weld?
Yeah, on a dog powder coat. That's probably we won't have to do many welds on the block now.
Don't be saying that.
Hey, it's not going anywhere.
Don't go anywhere.
A few moments later.
Yeah, we tried to fit the bumper.
Because you've got them corner lights.
I didn't know how much the stuck out.
So we need to fit it within this confined, this. Okay.
1 hour later.
After some adjustment.
So it wasn't a lot, but...
No. Chop, weld. Yeah, definitely more tight, yeah. The clearances. The bumper is more on than ever before. Oh God. Cold start. Last night at APC was a late one. We finished at probably 11 o'clock at night, but what matters is that we got it done. I wish I would have got my reaction last night when I was driving home after we got everything done. Oh my God. The noises this thing makes now. This turbo, it sounds like I've got like a supercharger in here or something. It is mental. And when you let go of the throttle, bro, I can't stop smiling, man. I don't know what to compare this to. I've never been in a car that sounds like this. Before it was an orchestra of noises already. This is just... So this here is more or less the final result with the piping. I've ended up painting this one black, that one black as well. I'm going to be replacing this silicone hose with a black one and hopefully painting more of this black as well, because I think that would just look so much nicer. But to get the best results in terms of the temperature drop, we need to remove the original cooling system, which is all integrated inside there. We're going to take that off, shave all the fins off, get rid of it, weld all the pipes off completely, and then we'll be ready to tune the car further, take it back to Santapod, take it back to the dyno, and see what gains we've made by installing this front mount intercooler system.